Hi everybody. I was supposed to do this yesterday and I'm sorry, but I was sleeping. I'm trying to look up the random generator. There it is, random number generator. So that I can do this. There we go. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's not doing very well. Okay, I may have to do this on my other camera. $48. Okay, well, I ended up having 48 people. Not just 48 comments. 48 individual people. So that means 2 drawings. And for my 750 Subby giveaway. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, okay? But I have 2 lists, and everybody on this list, and as many times as, like if you shared it 5 times, plus your comment, that would give you 6 entries. So your name would be on here 6 times. It's not a very good... Let's see. I really hope this comes out better than what I can tell. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run these numbers through the random number generator. Since I have 48 people, that's the number I'm going to use. No, I'm sorry, 58 entries. That's the number I'm going to use. So it's going to be 1 through 58. Okay? Dad, do you want to come over and verify this for me? Because in case it doesn't show up on the screen.
Verify who?
Verify the number that I get.
Drum roll, please.
I haven't pushed the button yet. So, alright, my random generator says 1 through 58, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I have 58 entries on the page, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to
have my name 6 times.
Yeah. You're funny.
I know.
Okay, I hit generate. What's the first result?
13!
Number 13. Mary Cisneros. You're my number 1 drawing. At number 13. Okay?
Lucky so number 13.
All right. So Mary Cisneros, I'm sorry.
Watch it, kid.
Okay, you were my first drawing.
All
right.
Marsky.
Dad, hit the generate one more time.
Up top here?
No, right here where it says generate.
34.
Okay, and the second drawing is 34, and that is Virginia Michelini.
Virginia.
All right, you guys. So, all right, we've got Mary Cisneros and Virginia Michelini. You guys were number 13 and number 34. I hope you can see that. I've got it. There's the number 2. Thanks, Dad.
Much rest, much rest.
All right, ladies. Get with me on Facebook. Send me a private message, a PM, so I can make sure I have your address. I will definitely get these together and send them out to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for your support. And if you watched the earlier video, you'll see most of what is going to be in the giveaway package. But thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm a day late in doing the drawing, but congratulations, and I hope to see you again.